It's very important to have candles in the home during the winter. This is the first Christmas tree I ever really made. I left home at 18, and I'm 53 now. This is just some bare branches decorated with some baubles that I got for free, and 3 are from my childhood. I never really wanted to make a Christmas tree because I never really found that I had a real home, and all that Christmas stuff from my childhood just reminded me of a lot of stress and my drunken parents beating me and stuff like that. Bruce broke a mini candle lantern while he was here, and we sent a postal mandate together, but they claim they've never received it. My spouse is sleeping, and it's Saturday night, just before Christmas. And it is cold here. It is really, really cold. I keep a candle burning in the hallway. See, Bruce broke one of these. He didn't seem to realize how impossible it was to replace. And my spouse is sleeping. I just put a candle in his room. And this is where I sleep. And I've got the room closed up, and I've got a candle burning here. You see, the room is, well, it was supposed to have pink walls. Thank you, Bruce. Oh, Dean, this is your artwork. This is the artwork of Dean Treadway. He gave me this artwork in June of this year, and I've had it properly framed. I've got it here with a couple of cemetery Jesuses and a photo that Angelo took of me with my 2 cats that my first husband killed back when I lived in the East Village. Some of those roses are here. I don't have any potpourri oil, but they smell good. You know, when they get dead, you know, cut the heads off and, you know, put them in a bowl. They smell good. They smell very good. Trying to stay warm, and what I want to show you here is this freak snowstorm that is falling in Paris, okay? I don't want to disturb my spouse, so I'm speaking very quietly. Fortunately, it's a big apartment, and we have a lot of doors we can close to stay separate. There is an absolute blizzard out here tonight. This is so unheard of. I mean, it never snows in December here in Paris, and yet it started here in November of this year. Look at all that snow. It's incredible, isn't it? Oh, this does not bode well. These were the plants that Bruce killed. I had nice cherry tomato plants, but he killed them. And while I was away in Turkey just now, my husband couldn't be bothered to water the plants either. You know, I did the best I could to water them before I left, but they needed to be checked. This building down here is all gutted, and it's going to be destroyed soon, I think. Look at that incredible snow falling. This is Saint-Denis, France, and it's Saturday. I think it's the 18th of December, 2010, and we are in the throes of a major blizzard here. This snow is not normal. This is not normal. The Gulf Stream has stopped flowing, and Europe is going into an ice age, and billions of people and animals will die this winter. Billions of them. People don't seem willing to accept this or to acknowledge this. But in this freezing cold, there's just no way you can survive. You're just not going to make it unless you have a shelter. I don't know what happened to Bruce. He never contacted me again. I don't know if he got the boxes I sent him. He fell asleep when he got there and didn't think to call me. You know, he called me like a couple days later, brief phone call, and then I got one short email from him saying that his sister had forbidden him to speak to me or something. Oh, this is incredible. Look at that. Can you see that? Never seen the snow like this, not even in Ohio where I come from. Alright, people, stay warm. I'm thinking about Andy, U.S. Pimp Club, who seems to be homeless right now. And I'm thinking about Bruce, and his sister wouldn't let me buy him a coat. I ordered him a coat from LL Bean, and she asked me to cancel the order. I don't know where he is, and he did a lot of damage here. It cost me a lot of money. My spouse is furious with me. Yet another flaky friend I let into my life and trusted. Wow, it's like bubbles. It's like soap bubbles coming down. You see that? Incredible. All right.